Hi guys! Welcome back! Luto tayo ng tortang talong. I have here 3 eggplants, tatlong talong. But I'm only using this one, itong maliit, this small one. Because this bigger one, I'm gonna use this for sinigang or pakbet. Either one of these, one for pakbet and yung isa sa sinigang. I only have 3, so for tonight's dinner, Glenn don't like this eggplant much, so one is enough for me. So I'll set this to side. That's for another dish. And if you gonna grill it, poke it with a fork to siguro to release the steam. But you can grill it or boil it. But I like it grilled because the flavor is different, and it's maybe the char makes it look prettier, and it's caramelizes the natural sugar of the eggplant. So i-grill ko muna to guys, and then I'll show you later after I'm done grilling it. Ayan, tapos ko nang na-grill. I just let it cool down a little bit para I can peel off the skin. Pero kung gusto mong mas mapabilis, i-soak mo sa ice water or running water, running cold water. But I'm not in a hurry, so I just let it cool down for a bit, and then I can take the skin off. I have here the eggplant already peeled, and I got 2 eggs and tomato and onion. So here it is, my finely chopped tomatoes and onions. I chop them as finely as I can para hindi naman mga big chunks yung manguya mo. Then I already put salt and pepper on this one. Beat it. And I'm gonna put in the onion and tomatoes. Parang marami yata to. And in here, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cornstarch. Dissolve in cold water para pag prito mo, crunchy. Here, the cornstarch dissolved in cold water and mix it in here. I think I can use another eggplant, but that's okay. I'll just fry this like an omelet. Put this in here. And here I have I'm using sunflower oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Okay, put a little bit of the mixture here. And then the eggplant sitting on top of that, the bed of the egg mixture. And pour this on top. Actually, you can put whatever toppings you want. If you have like ground pork or ground beef. But I'm gonna cook the meat first. Make sure it's fully cooked, you know. And you can add more. Yep, cook it for like 5 minutes. Cover it. See? Not done yet. Wait till it turns golden brown. You can take a peek. Looks pretty, huh? Oh, this looks golden brown. Now it's ready to be flipped over. Deform a little bit, but that's okay. That's what home cooked foods are. This is extra. I can use this for another eggplant, but I only have one eggplant, so I'll just fry this with an omelet. Here's the bonus omelet. Alright guys, so basically these are the ingredients: just eggs, eggplant, onions, tomatoes, salt and pepper, oil to fry it. Voila! Tortang talong for whenever. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, whenever. Yummy! Plus bonus omelet kung may sobra sa egg mixture mo. Hope you like my vlog today, guys. See you later. See you next time. Don't forget, fluidity of life.